We are your generation. Ungahambi sikungcwabe having not discharged and impacted our lives. Before uhamba sicela umhlabathi, we need you to engrave yourself in us. Even if your tombstone does not have an epitaph, but ake ngisho ngithi usiyobi khona izinto angishiyela zona zila kimi ngithi hamba ntombazana ayiye qedile hamba qedile kuyangibhora ukuthi sizokhuluma kuma memorial service nasemngcwabeni long problems ngomuntu esiphile naye sazi kahle ukuthi akenzanga lutho. Sikhulume to impress the relative, to impress whoever. Sazi kahle ukuthi le yivila lento lelela, yivila la ntsondo, yinto bevuka. Resebit ivila ulukhulisitse nganyana wa gago ke sebodu wa mitse o khuletse mo go wena. Umama wakho yivila, ugogo wakho yivila, usisi wakho yivila, ubani wakho yivila. Bonke labantu bamavila mara mayisefile sesithi utsamaya hantle ngikhono and rest in peace. Aphumuleleni, arresteleni, because she has never ventured to do anything. She's been resting throughout her life. It's not fair. Arrestela ayo resta nane.